Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's okay, and welcome to a new video. Now last week I had a madcap idea about having my arms tattooed to try and boost my numbers, but I've rethought it, and as you can see, I've had my tattoos lasered off. It was a bad idea, and but it was again very painful. Got to just dig in and just try and boost the numbers just with decent work. So anyway, I wouldn't really want to get involved in sponsors, having all that nonsense of having the channel sponsored. I mean, I did get a call from General Accident, the insurance company, saying that they wanted to sponsor me. And I said, well, why on earth are you contacting me? And they said they'd watch some of my videos and that some of my work would boost their public liability insurance. I'm really not quite sure what they're trying to say, but I think they were taking the piss. So anyway, this video is another plumbing job. Work is work, and it's a fairly interesting one because I did two jobs. One of them was extremely difficult, probably the worst and most hardest tap change that I've ever done. And it was on a corner basin, and the corner basin was siliconed in. There was absolutely no way I was ever going to get it off, and it would have pulled the tiles off. And I couldn't even move the pedestal, so the access was very poor, and I struggled with it. And then, you know, as luck would have it, I walked downstairs and then fitted a kitchen mixer tap, and it was completely easy. So and then the video starts with a fence post repair. I had to do it in the rain for two nice ladies, and it went okay, but it was probably the worst job to do on the first thing on a Monday morning. But work is work, so let's hope you enjoy it. The problem I had with this post is that these people were cat lovers, and they had a cat netting attached to this post. Also, to release the fencing panel, I would have had to take all the siding off the front, so I decided to concrete in a new post and tie it into it.
access was a real problem here. This was a corner basin that was siliconed in, and there'd be absolutely no way I could get this basin off, but it would have pulled the tiles off. So I had to just grin and bear the small access. I tried to use every single tool that I had in my toolbox to gain access in here, and yeah, very, very claustrophobic. That top kit head fell off, nearly hit my head, and more importantly, nearly hit my GoPro. All these flakes of hard water were a bit of an issue here. It just shows how hard the water is in York. I mean, the water in York is so hard that plumbers go round in pairs. So here I'm trying to get the plastic nut off. Trying everything, even the chiseling. But it eventually comes off. Reusing these old nuts and olives, probably shouldn't have done this, but tape and paste saves a bit of time. Big up the Nerrad tap kit. I couldn't have done this job without it. Well done, Darren. You can sponsor the channel if you want, mate.
You have every day's an off day if you